오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hi everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will show onion salad. Onion salad is very good match with some pork and any meal. This is my recipe. Now I will introduce the ingredients. We will use half onion and sesame oil and vinegar and some sugar, little salt, sesame seed and red paprika powder. I will use half onion. One day I did this one and then give to my friend. My friend is a really professional cooker. She said, very surprised, how you did, and then very surprised. Really, this is fantastic. We put sugar, salt, just a little. Red paprika powder, sesame seed, and sesame oil. If you don't have a sesame oil, and you can use any oil, no problem, olive oil, something like this. In foreign countries, sesame oil find a little bit difficult. Little vinegar, and we mix them. Very simple, but really this very delicious. One of my friends is a professional cooker, but she doesn't know how so delicious. Asked me many times how you did. Ready. Looks also beautiful and smell is really fantastic. Very nice. Very beautiful.